Basic information regarding EVM VVPAT. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variation in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to define EVM, understand the VVPAT. They will also be able to explain the working, functioning and capabilities of EVM VVPAT. Let's discuss EVM. What is an EVM? EVM stands for Electronic Voting Machine. It is a device used to electronically record and count votes that were casted during poll. For the first time, EVM was used in the by-election to Parur Assembly constituency of Kerala in 1982. What are the components of EVM? Electronic voting machine consists of ballot unit and control unit. What is VVPAT? Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail, that is VVPAT, is an independent system attached with the EVM that allows the voters to verify that their votes are casted as intended. How long does the VVPAT slip is displayed at the time of voting? The VVPAT slip is displayed for 7 seconds. Thereafter, this printed slip automatically gets cut and falls in the sealed drop box of the VVPAT. What are the details printed on the slips? Printed slip of VVPAT contains the following information: candidate serial number, name of the candidate, symbol of party or candidate, session number, VVPAT ID. These details could be viewed by the voter. What is the size of VVPAT slip and what are the properties of VVPAT slips? The VVPAT printed slip is approximately 99 mm by 56 mm in size. The VVPAT slip is basically thermal paper with a print retention capability of about 5 years when stored properly. When was VVPAT introduced? VVPAT with EVM was used first time in the by-election to Noksan Assembly constituency of Nagaland in 2013. What is the model of EVM used now? Presently, the M3 model of EVM and VVPAT are used. Model M3 EVM VVPAT are also non-network standalone units that run on the power packs or the batteries of their own. Where are the EVM VVPAT manufactured? Are they imported? EVM VVPATs are not imported, but indigenously designed and manufactured by two public sector undertakings, and these are Bharat Electronics Limited under the Ministry of Defence, Electronics Corporation of India Limited under the Department of Atomic Energy. Under whom guidance EVM VVPAT are manufactured? They are manufactured under the guidance of the Technical Experts Committee constituted by the ECI. Interconnection of ballot unit, control unit and VVPAT. Ballot unit is connected to VVPAT and VVPAT is connected to control unit. So in this block diagram you can see ballot unit is connected to VVPAT and VVPAT is connected to control unit. Again in this diagram we can verify BU is connected to VVPAT and VVPAT is connected to CU. What is the maximum number of votes which can be casted in EVM? The EVM can record a maximum of 2000 votes, but generally it is used for recording 1500 votes only. What is the maximum number of candidates which EVM can cater to? Each ballot unit can cater to 16 candidates including nota. A total of 24 ballot units can be connected to a CU to make a set of EVM. When required, one set of EVM can cater up to maximum of 384 candidates including nota. How long does the control unit store the result in its memory? The control unit can store the result in its memory until the data is deleted or cleared. Does the EVM have an operating system? No, the EVM does not have an operating system. It only has a firmware or machine level instructions which is sealed or embedded in a one-time programmed memory to eliminate any scope of reprogrammability. In this educational video, we have gathered basic information on EVM and VVPAT. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.